Hello, 你好. Welcome to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're going to learn Easter vocabularies in Cantonese. Let's get started. Easter 復活節復活節 Happy Easter 復活節快樂復活節快樂 Easter egg 復活蛋復活蛋 Chocolate egg 朱古力蛋朱古力蛋 Bunny 兔仔兔仔 Good Friday 受難節受難節 Jesus 耶穌耶穌 Jesus Christ 耶穌基督耶穌基督 Cross 十字架十字架 Hot cross bun 十字包十字包 Church 教會教會 Holiday 假期假期 Well done today. Keep practicing and I hope you find this video helpful. Happy Easter! 復活節快樂！下次見! See you next time.